I finished the Java is main package, Lang is sub package. Yeah, star means all classes in the package. All classes and interfaces. That package. If you want only particular system class, port java.lang.system. Okay, now it imports only system class. System is a class name, guys. Okay, if you write star means all the classes. Import java.lang.star, all classes, but I don't want all the classes. Compile time it takes more. Okay, I don't want like this. Import java.lang.system. Next, naming conventions for Java programming. For variables, guys, variable names must be in lowercase letters. Variable names must be in lowercase. Yeah, first one, guys. Variable names first must be in lowercase. For example, public, we can write int s number. This is example. Private string s name. Yeah, protected. Just that is your wish. Protected float average, double x or something. Write a naming convention. Naming convention means how to write a Java program. First one, for variables. Variable names must be in lowercase letter. For class names, class names must be in, class name should start with uppercase letter. Class names, Nitin, class names, guys. Class name should start with uppercase letter. If it is having multiple words, if it is having multiple words, if it is having multiple words, each word of the first letter should be capital. Each word of the first letter should be capital. For example, if you want to write a class, student, class name is student, write student, S capital. If it is having multiple words, guys, for example, see, array index out of, O capital again, out of bounds exception. This is a class name already predefined. Number format exception. Class number format exception. Like see this class names we can write. Okay, na? Class student. Class name should start with uppercase letter. If it is having multiple words, each word of the first letter should be capital. Class student, class array index out of bounds exception, class number format exception. For method names, yeah, in C, C++ we call functions, guys. Here, got it, guys? Now these are the method names, class names, the uppercase I have written. S capital. If it is having multiple words, A is a capital, array index I capital, out of bounds exception. Each word of the first letter should be capital. Number format N capital, F capital, exception capital. Each word should start with uppercase letter. That is a naming convention to understand Java programming. Chakradhar, for understanding purpose only. Chakradhar, for understand naming convention, why do you write, for example, why you constructed houses, how we constructed roads? Tell me, if there is no roads, what happens? There is no buildings or there is no homes, what happens? Are you following, guys? That is for conventions, okay? To smoothly handle the things, to smooth handle things, we need to follow some rules and regulations, okay? Yeah, if you want to write Java program, I said Java is simple, right? Java is simple. Yeah, why it is simple? Easy to understand. Easy to understand. For easy to understand, it has to follow some rules and regulations. uh, right? That's why it's a easy or simple language. For method names, method name should start with lowercase letter. If method name is having multiple words, if method name is having multiple words, each word of the first letter should be capital except first word. Void get data, D capital. Void get student info. For method names, right, next one. For constant names, constants names should be in uppercase only. If it is having multiple words, it should be separated by underscore. For example, north, south, east, west. Yeah, if it is having multiple words, page underscore up. Page underscore down. For constant names. For package names, package name should be in lowercase letters. Yeah, package name should be in lowercase. First finish, guys. I will write. After that, I will give a import java.lang.star. Import java.util.star. Import java.io.star. java.adt.star. Applet.star. Okay, yeah, first write, guys, for class name, for variable names onwards. Finish. packages util there are also packages we discuss later. Okay, one by one we discuss. This is just naming convention, how to write functions, how to write variables, how to write class names. Just this is a naming convention. While before going to write a programs, how to write the different right. These are keywords, no? Yeah, how to write these keywords, how to recognize the keywords based upon their naming convention. Yeah, that's all, guys. In the next session, we discuss how to write a programs. That's all today. Yeah, thank you, guys. Yeah, we can leave.